Is it time to buy or sell SharpLink Gaming stock? In this video, we will delve into SharpLink Gaming. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 18th of July, 2025, our system has ranked SharpLink Gaming as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.82. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock currently resides in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $14.08 is breached, it will first suggest a slowdown in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible 35% change over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from -34% to 331%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of approximately 31%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -80% to 269% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $5.70 and $107.17. Our latest daily update for SharpLink Gaming includes the headline, High Volatility in SharpLink Gaming Ltd stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $28.98. The SharpLink Gaming Ltd stock price dropped by 20.38% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, from $36.40 to $28.98. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 39.93%, ranging from a low of $28.91 to a high of $40.46. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 130.18% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movements. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 85 million shares exchanged for approximately $2.47 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $124.12, while the lowest was $0.19. Currently, the price is 76.65%, or $95.14, below the 52-week high and 93.78%, or $436.62, below the all-time high on November 17, 2021, when the price reached $465.60. SharpLink Gaming, trading under the ticker SBET, has experienced remarkable growth in its stock price, surging nearly 50% in the past week and over 100% in the last month. This dramatic increase is largely attributed to the company's strategic pivot, transforming from a traditional marketing firm into a high-volatility Ethereum proxy, capitalizing on the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency market. As of July 13, 2025, SharpLink has positioned itself as the world's largest corporate holder of Ethereum, boasting over 280,000 ETH. This accolade is significant, highlighting the company's ambitious strategy to adopt Ethereum as its primary treasury reserve asset. Notably, SharpLink has also raised approximately $413 million recently, indicating robust investor confidence and financial health. With a strong dual growth narrative fueled by both its artificial intelligence-powered platform and substantial Ethereum holdings, SharpLink stock presents a compelling investment opportunity. Analysts predict that its Ethereum strategy could potentially yield around $16 million annually, translating into enhanced revenue growth. In the short term, these developments may lead to increased stock volatility as investor sentiments fluctuate with Ethereum's market dynamics. However, long-term prospects look promising, with analysts suggesting that the current stock price presents an attractive entry point, especially as the company prepares for its upcoming earnings report in August. The ability to leverage its significant Ethereum holdings effectively could mean a transformed financial outlook for SharpLink, making SBET a stock to watch closely. Analysts have issued a general strong sell rating for SharpLink Gaming stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for SharpLink Gaming. The SharpLink Gaming Ltd stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $27.96 and $26.46. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 29, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 63.41%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 35 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 156 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal from 15 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 39 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 38 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SharpLink Gaming. SharpLink Gaming Ltd finds support from accumulated volume at $28.97. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock is subject to significant fluctuations during the day, exhibiting considerable volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that this stock carries a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $11.55, representing a change of 39.93%. Throughout the past week, the stock recorded an average daily volatility of 25.14%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for SharpLink Gaming, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a trend of consistently negative PE ratios may indicate inadequate profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SharpLink Gaming. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SharpLink Gaming is at $32.53. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SharpLink Gaming encounters its first support level at $28.97. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SharpLink Gaming from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of June 2025, Mackenzie Obi conducted an insider purchase of 5,556 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June 2025, Fithian Rob conducted an insider purchase of 6,250 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June 2025, Gutkowski Robert M. conducted an insider purchase of 5,556 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June 2025, DeLucia Robert Michael conducted an insider purchase of 6,250 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June 2025, Bernhard Leslie conducted an insider purchase of 5,556 shares of common stock. Based on the 89 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 94.304. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 19,129,384 shares and sold 857,639 shares in the last 89 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $27.39, reflecting a decrease of 5.48%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 34 days ago. Is SharpLink Gaming stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall favorable trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for SharpLink Gaming Ltd stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of July, we expect SharpLink Gaming to open higher by $3.80 and begin trading at $32.78. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.